In this video, I'll show you how to add emoji to your videos in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone or computer. From the main screen, tap New Project. Then choose the video you want to edit from your gallery or media folder. After selecting the video, tap Add to import it into the timeline. Once your video is loaded, move the playhead to the part where you want the emoji to appear. This helps you place the emoji at the exact moment in the video. Now go to the bottom menu and tap Text, then tap Add Text. When the keyboard opens, switch to the emoji keyboard and choose the emoji you want to use. You can add one emoji, multiple emojis, or combine emojis with normal text. After adding the emoji, tap the check mark to place it on your video. The emoji will appear as a text layer on the timeline. Tap the emoji on the preview screen and drag it to the position you want, such as near a face, above an object, or in the corner of the screen. To resize the emoji, use 2 fingers to pinch in or out. You can also rotate it slightly if you want a more playful look. Next, adjust how long the emoji stays on screen. Tap the emoji layer in the timeline, then drag the edges left or right to control its duration. If you only want it to appear for a short moment, make the layer shorter. If you want it to stay longer, extend the layer. You can also add animation to make the emoji more interesting. With the emoji selected, tap Animation, then choose an intro, outro, or looping animation. For example, you can make the emoji pop in, bounce, fade, or shake. Another option is to use CapCut stickers. Tap Stickers, search for an emoji-style sticker, and add it to your video. Stickers can be useful if you want animated emojis or more decorative designs. When you are done, preview the video from the beginning. Make sure the emoji appears at the right time, looks clear, and does not cover anything important. Finally, tap Export in the top right corner. Choose your preferred video quality and save the edited video to your device. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.